welcome back to our channel. And right now we are at High Point Shopping Center because we're going to meet our friend at Coco Black Cafe. I'm here because I'm going to hand her her handbag because sa tawagan ni guys, uy, parang personal shopper lang ang peg, guys. Say hi, honey. Say hi. Good girl. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the bag. So, batuon kayong mga guys. So, we are going to give that to Madame Anna, guys. Because that's hers. She just asked me to buy it for her. Oh. Yeah, and we didn't bring the pram with us, guys. So we just have to carry Paris around. Show around, look at her.
So yeah,
Awkward. Dari ti? Level 3? Go, go, go. Go, go. Just message her first. Oh, there she is. Hindi na
YouTube.
Oh my God.
Hello, ganda-ganda mo. You're so pretty. How old are you?
Ano na? 16 months. 16 months.
You're so speechless. Just came from work?
Oo. Tapos inano ko na lang yung... Yun nga sabi ko, tapos inano ko to sa bahay. Sabi ko, sama na lang tayo para kumain na tayo doon.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yan. Ganda naman ang dress mo.
May party. Diba?
May bibili ako sa kanya kasi Paris ang name niya. So, kasi we went to Paris. Of course, I had to buy this one, the Eiffel Tower. You know. But your mommy will use this one kasi baka you're gonna, eat it.
Say thank you. Thank you.
And this is for mommy. Pasensya ka na.
Iba talaga pang mayaman, guys. May passion
Ano ba yan? It's nothing. Hindi naman yan kamahalan.
Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, iba talaga,
I
guys.
hope you like the color. That's my favorite color. I have the same color.
Oh,
Yeah.
open ko na.
Open mo. Go for it. Open it.
Hey, open it. Iba talaga. Pinaghintay na.
Okay lang yan.
Namigay pa. Oh. Iba talaga.
Oh, she's smiling na oh. I think she's liking it.
Like that? Uy. Uy, what's this? Ang cute ng bag.
Open it. And I hope you will use it.
Oh my God.
Hindi mo caring
Masusundan na si Paris nito. Oh wow, so red. Oh my God. Pakita talaga.
Oh, open the push so you can see the push.
Yes, honey.
Push it. Like.
Oh my God. Ay, push.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga pag mayaman, may push.
You're so funny.
Careful, ha?
Baka kainin.
How about this? There you go. Ah, push pala yun. Hada, Ruby.
That's a
Chanel number 5. Oh my God, thank you po.
Fair
Hindi ko afford to, guys. So,
Ano ba? Merry Christmas, happy birthday.
You need more minutes? You want to...
I'm not sure. Do you want something to drink now?
Yes, of course. Hot chocolate. I want
hot
to try their
chocolate.
Belgian. Can we have 3? Yes, please.
Another one, honey?
And then, do you want to eat here? Because they have also nice sandwiches. Yeah, yun lang yung savory nila that they can offer for you.
What's that?
So they're out of chicken and avocado. So all they got is the first, the third, and the fourth. Because
Okay.
I'm gonna choose the,
roast
roast
beef. I think
beef. What about your sister?
Hindi hap na kami kasi hindi yan, hindi kasi kami
Oh my gosh, ako
kalakain.
papatabain mo. Paano si baby?
Didi. Talaga? Mami, Uy! Lumabas na! Oh my God! Come here, honey!
Maybe she can also try the hot chocolate.
Oo, for sure.
Madali lang ba? Paano mag-edit sis? You know,
Ay, movie lang sa iPhone. Yun lang gamit ko eh.
iPhone. Kasi yung anak ko may sarili siyang camera.
What did you order? Hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yun lang. Pakita mo yung yung yung
The thing.
the decoration.
Decoration.
Like this? This one.
Ganda naman.
Sa ano na? Yeah, you want that?
Mahilig ko na siya sa mga ipit-ipit. Bibigyan ko nga ito. Madami si Crisel na hindi niya na ginagamit. Ang cute.
Nga eh. Ito
Ibigay
kasi
ko
walang
na lang sa
buhok,
kanya.
kaya minsan sinasabihan parang lalaki.
Pulo. Baka gusto niya mag-play.
That's not the one. There's the other one. Tara, dali, dali. Yes. Buningit. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Dali, up. Oh, she's sleeping. You're sleeping. Come here. Come here. Okay, ra ka diha? Ha? Oh, sure, spiyong. Par. Everybody clap. No? Bibi, that's dirty, B. That's dirty. Na, very dirty. Oh, have a look. Messy look. Come here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come. Up. 1, 2. Oh, good girl. No, Paris. No. No. No, no. No. That's dirty. Show them. No, Paris. No. Good girl. Everybody clap. Anna. Come here. Oi.
Ano siya may baby? Malaki na yung baby. Hindi na baby pala.
B. Sa'yo na ba? Everybody clap. Everybody sing. La la. Hey, we're not done yet. Paris. Oh my God. my God, are you tired? Are you tired? Mama, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Nicole?
Hindi na ako magsasalita.
Oh my God!
Birthday to me.
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! Oh my God!
Okay. Ay, baby, what do you want? Okay.
Dahil we're unboxing na talaga. Ah! Yay!
Oh my God.
Sarap po. Open. Guys, may eye candy pa kami sa likod, oh. May ano pa kami dyan.
Oh my God.
Chanel. Sarap? Sarap? Sarap kainin.
This gonna be my dinner. I'm not gonna eat for like maybe a year.
Wow, yeah, I love that. Ano yung shade ng gray.
Yeah, oh my God, so nice.
Wow.
Kasi nanginginig ang kamay ko.
Jamie Chua ng Melbourne. Yeah, Jamie Choo ng
Oh my
Melbourne.
God, Jamie Choo na nga.
Pero ulati.
Nice color.
So nakita niya, no, ni,
You know,
ano nga,
Krista.
Krista? Krista.
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 Crystal yung second.
Ah, oo. So nakita niya yung ano, yung kulay na yan yung...
Yeah.
Sana all.
Ganda ng model.
Oh, dapat may modeling shot yan.
Wow, that's nice.
Okay.
Dapat may modeling shot.
Saan mo yung may maganda?
Ikaw na talaga may nanalo na, guys.
May nanalo na.
Siya nanalo ng raffle.
I won the raffle. Oh my God. Okay.
Wow! Shit, Miming.
Nice size.
Yeah, perfect size. Ganda. Yeah, it's not too big. It's not too
Which
small.
one is better?
Oh, about shit.
Which one you prefer?
Can't decide.
Boy or the girl? Or the girl? The boy or the girl?
Wow.
Okay, that's nice.
So good.
Guys, isang ano na yan, guys. Isang taon.
Isang bahay na yan sa Pinas.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Guys, may nakasakay ng Mercedes, guys.
He likes it, oh.
Huy, bongga mo, Day.
Ikaw?
Yeah, she likes it. She's not moving.
Oh my God.
Good, very nice car, guys. Oh, pang mayaman talaga, guys. Eh. Uy, ayun na, experience lang. Halika na. For experience lang yun, anak. One day, pag nanalo tayo ng loto, bili tayo.
Ang bili to.
Yeah, one day.
Oh, he likes it. You
Yeah.
like it?
Bili tayo ng tatlo. Ha? You like it? Tatlong ganito.
Baka kayang gawin ni China friend mo.
Kung sana nga. So hi guys, we're home now, and oh my god, like it is. I've got Paris here with me. So yeah guys, I still have my work clothes on, and it's already 8:30 at night guys. So it's been a long day. I just want to, you know, get changed now and just relax for the night, and you know, get ready for bed. But today we had a great time meeting Ate Anna. Hi there, thank you very much for today. I appreciate the gift. I so love the Chanel lipstick, and I couldn't wait to try it on. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, do you want to say thank you for the hot chocolate? Yeah, that's why you're very dirty. Yeah, but yeah, had a wonderful time, and yeah, until our next catch up. But yeah, thank you very much guys for watching today's video. As usual, as always, I'm very grateful for your time, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, if you can give this a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that very much. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later. Bye.